Opening the box with my super sweet Gerber razor blade. I don't know what these are for, but the last one came with them too, so might as well put them on, huh? Oh gosh, I can't even wear it. Yeah, nope. Here I'm pulling out all of the parts, and you will see me separating and organizing them, so that way it will be easier for me to put this together. Building one of the cross members where the spikes go on that actually go into the tree, and that is what will hold the rail guide in place, is the 4 cross members with the spikes in them. Here I'll be installing the first cross member to the actual rails. As you can see there, I'll be tightening, and these can tighten and loosen, and they can slide back and forth depending on how long the tree is or where the best place to put these are, in order for you to get an even rail guide going completely across the top of the tree. This is only used for the first cut, the rail guide. You see right here, I am combining the first 2 sections because the rail guide itself is actually 3 separate 3-foot sections for a total of 9 feet. Installing the second of the 4 cross members, right y'all? Alright, so I'm adding the cross member to the 3rd section, and then I'll be adding the 3rd section to the full rail right here. So now I will be adding in the things that can determine the height of the rail from the tree. These screws actually have an Allen hole on one side, and as you can see here, there's 4 different holes on each cross member, and like it says, depending on how wide the tree is or how narrow the tree is, you can pick if you want to use the outer 2 or the inner 2, and then you just screw them down to get the height. That way you have a nice even rail all the way across the top of the tree. See right here, I'm showing you the Allen hole on the top, and you want to make sure that that faces up away from the tree. Alright, all put together, and as you can see, I'm showing you here, out of the 4 spikes, I put 3 in one direction and the 4th one in the opposite direction. That will help with the stability of the rail system sliding back and forth.